First location of the day.
Welcome to a new adventure of exploring forgotten beauty.
So
I pretty well know one by now.
yeah, we're basically at Pinokkio and this truck. It's really big. For reference.
1 meter 90.
92, yeah, 1 meter 92.
So that's 6 meters?
That's
Around
really
6
high.
meters?
Really high, yeah.
Jesus. That's an impressive thing. My God, man.
Damn. Yeah, it's really high up. I guess they used to use this in the mine too. Maybe.
Yeah. That's a used one. Yeah, that's used. You can see the marks.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
That's high.
Yeah, that's really high. It's got a flat tire though.
Yeah, in the front. No idea.
It doesn't say if you can't get up or not.
Nothing saying you can do. You can stop.
I think you technically can. Somebody stole the light bulbs.
So I think you can stand right, and then I need to do this.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
You can?
You can enter it completely. But for you, that's gonna be way up high. I have no idea how to get there.
That's not high. A horse.
That's
is
not
higher.
high. I can do this.
A horse is more difficult to get on.
I think that's the gasoline,
Oil reservoir, maybe.
and that's the inside of it.
Yeah.
You can see steering wheel, the seating wheel.
The pokes for the neutral and 1 and 2.
That's cool though.
The gearbox.
The gearbox, yeah, it's a seat stolen though.
Yeah, the seats are stolen. And there's some panels if you look closely.
Oh, no idea.
Should I get on? I'm lighter. I can
Yeah,
see
you'll
this
be lighter.
bending underneath your weight.
Yeah, I know. That's cool.
Pretty cool.
That's a pretty awesome start actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, where we actually are is like an old limestone factory.
Yeah, mining facility, no?
Mining facility, a limestone factory. And they built it around,
The 19th century, the turn.
and in the late 19th century they built the first oven, and 25 years later, just 25 years after that one, they built the second one, and even the third one.
Yeah.
And by the beginning of the 1900s, then we're talking about 1920 or some sort, around that age, all the 3 ovens were operating at a full capacity.
Yeah.
But due to the recesses here in the neighborhood,
Yeah.
the entire factory closed down.
Yeah.
And
We
well,
don't know when exactly. But
when it was
During
closed
the
down,
recession.
We don't really know, but during the recession it was closed down, and some parts are already destroyed, but
some
the
parts
main
still stand.
ovens are still standing. And one of the main ovens is the Pinokkio one.
Yeah.
Well, the name says it itself, you will see clearly why.
And then here you have it from the top.
There's like stuff growing out of it.
Wait. Have a look.
Like plants growing out of it.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus, can you imagine driving that thing?
Yeah. Must have been insane. That's the top
so-
side. This part is closed off though.
Yeah. But this is like one of the air vents, I think, of
Yeah.
one of the main ovens. Because you have ovens like from this side of the road, and then the other side of the road you have the main factory.
Yeah.
So probably this was a mining hall,
Yeah, I think so.
like we already seen a couple of them.
Yeah. You can see like the remains of a structure.
Train track, yeah. So perhaps the train tracks were running onto the other side of the road
Yeah.
in here.
something
You
like
can
that.
You can even go deeper into the nature.
But we are mainly here for Pinokkio
Yeah. Yeah, and the yellow truck.
and the yellow truck.
And there they did the mining part in the mountains.
Yeah.
You can clearly see the different plateaus, I think.
Like,
Yeah.
if you look closely, you can see
And
where
then
they
you have
took
some-
the rock.
So there's some sheep there as well. And then the different plateaus of the mining.
Yeah, you can definitely see where they carved out rock.
That's cool.
That's gonna be slippery.
I have no idea actually.
What about it? Maybe it's okay.
Rather slippery, yeah.
You can't go very far.
Also,
Yeah. I don't think you can go very far.
no, but you can see a part of the trains.
Oh, this is a part of the oven.
Super dumb.
There was an easier entrance.
Yeah, way easier.
Ah, yeah.
Look at this though.
Being an idiot.
Look at this though.
Oh wow, there's like a lot of what's it called? Calcium residue.
Calcium residue. It's like a cave.
Yeah.
And then
With
it's
the stalagmites and stalactites.
stalagmites and stalactites here.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's cool. And an old mechanism. Oh, that's wood. Just buckles down.
Yeah, it just falls off.
And
That's
then
pretty
here an
cool.
old oven.
Yeah, that's metal, or it used to be metal.
That's one of the
Ovens, yeah.
not ovens. It's like of the tubes where the stones or the limestones were falling down.
Yeah.
And then under here, because you can see that should be a train track here
Yeah.
underneath.
To
So they can
capture it,
fall,
yeah.
Because it goes on.
I can go in, I'm small.
You can go in. Sure. If you want to explore the dark cave.
I'm small, my
Dark
backpack
and
is
gloomy
not.
cave.
Oh wow, there's another one over there.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Shall I go with you?
You can.
Oh. Sure.
Okay, so there used to be something here too.
There's a girl on my feet then.
And there's another
Is
one.
there another way in there?
I'll look for a sec. So again with the stalagmites and stalactites. Yeah, definitely an easier way in. Oh, and here's a pipe coming down. And then the mechanism over here. There's all water. That one looks cool though, so I'm gonna see if I can get there by walking.
Wheel.
Yeah. Is that not like
Doesn't turn.
for ventilation or something?
I have no idea. This is some old seal.
Yeah, it's like
Completely
falling apart.
falling apart already. This is awesome. My god. This is kinda cool. Thanks. What a fun. Oh, there's Rocksteady. That might work. That might work indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, she's on.
Okay, there's not much here.
Someone said crack.
Something said crack, yeah. Here you have like an electricity panel.
Yeah, it's not too much here.
I don't know, just you know, another gearbox thingy.
And another oven. And at least an exhaust pipe.
Yeah, basically you're all underneath the ovens now. Because that's another pipe leading.
Oh my god, that's still
To another.
the rocks there. The white rocks? That's still the limestone.
Yeah. So yeah, piles of rock.
Yep.
And here you can see where I came in from. Cool. There's another one. He's really too tall for this hobby. No idea.
There used to be piping or something?
I think like to make sure that the structure was stable, because if you look up,
Yeah.
there's a lot more of them.
Yeah.
Stabilize the structure, I think.
Yeah, it might be actually. Cool. No.
Back through the rabbit hole we go.
The piping left.
Yeah.
It's insane. Well, there is no stairs anymore, so you can't go up.
Not up that one though.
That's destroyed because of security reasons.
Yeah, safety.
Safety precautions and safety reasons. But you can enter this place, and this is pretty
Yeah.
beautiful though.
I've seen a lot of pictures of it.
The exhausts.
Yeah, again. Same exhaust pipes as
Yeah.
on the other side. Like this is another one.
This is cool. This is cool.
Oh, this is the mechanism to draw up water.
Yeah. And there's even a sofa there.
There's a couch, yeah.
And I think
This used to be.
one of the ovens. Oh, my flashlight is gone. The inside of one of the ovens. Look at this. This is cool.
Yeah.
Comes outside of this, the watering pipe, I think it's what it is.
Yeah.
And
Water
then-
containment and then.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or something like that.
Yeah.
And this used to turn as well.
A lot of pipes.
I'm doubting about that one.
Yeah. I think these are stable, but that not so much.
I'll see.
Ja, look at. Zie. Ik denk dat dit wel oké is.
Whoa!
Maar dit is
Look at this!
pretty cool.
The inside of it.
Cool.
It's insane
Pretty cool. Not that tall.
though. No, it's just the same one, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, electrical.
Yes, dat is
Ja.
een elektrische.
Electrical.
Ja, de
See the sign?
symbool.
So it is electrical.
Ja.
Je kunt er echt in kruipen, of hè?
Laten
Ja,
we
dat
dan
is
niet
een-
van deze hoogte proberen.
Oh my
Let's
god.
not
Je
try
kunt
to
gewoon...
get in at this height.
So that's the other side of Pinokkio. We're gonna go.
We need to go up more.
That's cool.
I always like the nature here in the industry.
Um,
Let's continue looking for Pinokkio.
oh, that's the other side, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
I have no idea how.
It's like two-way.
Yeah,
It's a skill.
An old mechanism, an old tent here.
Yeah, it's a mechanism to pull things up, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's really pretty awesome.
That's pretty cool.
It's a nice B-shot.
Yeah.
Awesome to Pinokkio.
Yeah, here we go.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
We've wanted to do this one for quite a while. Look at that. You have his nose.
Pinokkio has lost another nose.
Yeah, there's some piping on the ground.
And that's the electrical ground.
Yeah. Completely covered in graffiti, but
Yeah.
then there's like what used to be the meters.
Really, really cool.
And another electrical cabinet.
We are inside of Pinokkio now. Look at this, guys.
It has a certain smell to it.
Oh my god. You can see the particles in the air. This is insane.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
We are inside a giant, I have no idea what is this, a giant pipe?
Yeah.
Piping? For what? For coals? For water? I don't know, because it's stone, so it's probably for limestone, but my suggestion is there used to be a piping here, completely.
There
And
used to be an
piping.
oven, so.
Oh, this is the giant oven, of
Yeah,
course.
because, I mean, the mouth of Pinocchio is where they would feed everything
Yeah.
into. So.
This is the oven part. So they would boil the stuff here.
Or burn it, eh?
Burn it. A little log there. There's one part of it, a long hallway, but there's one part of it where you can take cool pictures. It's really dusty, holy fuck. This is cool.
I mean, the reflection on the walls is even cool.
Yeah. And reflections.
It's pretty cold in here.
Yeah, the temperature of it is
dropping
is dropping.
as we go. But like, this was completely made out of stone.
Certain stone.
Like brick or something.
The firestone, the vuurvaste steen.
Yeah, fire resistant.
Fire resistant rock, surely.
Yes. This is where we can see outside.
Yes, and this is where everybody's taking the shots.
As you can see, it's like mainly supported by iron too.
Yeah, it's iron and stone.
So it's not just like
Really cool
the
shot.
rocks supporting it.
That's the museum part. This is cool if you have a really good flashlight. Actually, without a flashlight, it's even doable.
I mean, this is with 2 headlights, so you can even see a lot.
Yeah, you can see quite far. Pretty cool for
You
pictures.
can almost see Pinocchio.
Almost. Entire white hole over there.
Yeah.
That's a mouth. Insaneness.
Yeah. Oh, see, there's the piping which would come down here.
The piping that we saw earlier on the other side, that's come down here. And we actually already looked inside of this hole.
Yeah, from the other side, because don't drop the phone, but
No, I know.
you can see everything.
I'm holding the phone with my hands as well,
Yeah.
to be completely sure. So this is the inside,
Yeah, and we were standing.
and that's the
over
upper
there,
side.
Like from the other side, right across.
Yeah, we were standing right over
At
there,
that hole.
that hole.
That's pretty cool.
Because we're now working with a tripod, so we have to just be completely sure that our phone doesn't drop inside of it.
Yeah.
Hi! Another urbexer.
Yeah, we already saw him before.
Awesome.
He's still inside. Funny. Dit is ook wel een coole shot, hè?
Inside alone is worth the complete video, this one.
Yeah. Because if you, I don't know if you can see it on video, but the lines from the,
They turn.
yeah, they turn.
It's like a mill.
It's not,
like,
yeah, it's not straight
it's
lines.
like, no, they've got
It looks
turning.
as though they're turning.
And it goes up and then turns around.
Yeah.
Looks a bit like a mill.
Yeah. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, this is
Dusty.
Getting inside is easier than getting outside.
Feet first.
Yeah.
And then you just have to pull yourself
I'm
up.
190, remember?
Pull yourself up from the outside. It's the easiest way. There you go.
She is completely stuck. No.
I'm gonna go feet first.
Oh, funny. You're completely white. My god.
Yeah. There goes the black jeans and the black coat.
Everything for an urbex video.
I mean, with me it doesn't bend as much.
Hmm?
With me it doesn't bend as much.
Oh no.
So yeah, you could go up there before, but that's something we're not doing today.
No.
So that's pretty
White
much it.
as all hell, but
Yeah,
this was an awesome location.
I'm very white at the moment.
This was
but,
really cool.
Yeah, this was awesome.
The whole complete industry part on the right side, with then the mouth on this side, where you can like
Yeah.
completely walk through the piping, because that piping, the black piping over there.
Yeah, we went through there.
Literally walked inside of
the-
it. That's pretty awesome.
That was a brick piping you saw.
That's pretty cool if you can do that.
You're too tall.
Yes, I'm too tall. So this is it for this video.
Yeah, and
We're
we'll
gonna
see
try
to do another one.
pick a fast, small location.
Hopefully it's still open.
Hopefully it is. We'll see.
We'll see.
Bye.
Bye.
See you the next one.